If you tell me today that we need to reduce our emissions because we want to be able to reduce pollutants that affect the quality of our air, that's a better argument to make. So when you tell us to achieve net zero, when you tell us to achieve carbon neutrality, the story is we want to pollute the air less so that we can breathe in better air and we can live longer, healthier lives. That's a better narrative to sell to the people, which is closer to the truth. And you are telling people that we want to save us. But when you say you want to save the planet, bruv, net zero is not going to stop a tsunami. It's not going to stop flash flood. It's not going to stop a hurricane. All of these things existed in the past, 2,000 years ago. They'll exist today. They'll still exist tomorrow, because that's just the way the world is set up. And we can't explain why it's that way. So for me, I think that, yes, it's an unpopular opinion. A lot of the globalists and the climate change guys and your COP27, COP28 guys, they don't want to hear it. I'm not here to say that, oh, maybe there is some negative agenda somewhere, but I'm saying, why don't we ask more pertinent questions around the climate change agenda? There's a lot of fear. These guys at the World Economic Forum and all these guys, they want to task some continents like Africa. They want to get us to commit to a particular year that, we'll abandon fossil fuel, we'll start doing renewables, EVs, all those things, trying to defund us because they don't want us to engage in those fossil fuel energy sources anymore. They want us to move there and they want us to move there. And I'm like, let's take a chill pill. We're pushing this thing a bit too fast. Let's ask some real tangible questions. I did my research on this. If you're telling me that global warming is causing climate change, and then you're also saying that hurricane, typhoons, tsunamis, tornadoes, flash floods are caused by global warming, I would just like to see one piece of scientific evidence that directly links global warming to all of these adverse environmental effects or weather effects. And if there isn't a clear link that can establish this relationship, we really need to soft pedal on this climate change story. And we need to focus more on what's important, which is more responsible living, right? Harness your energy in a responsible way. Reduce your pollutants so that people stop getting poisoned by bad air. And then we can live a longer, healthier life. That's a more reasonable story to tell than this save our planet story, which to me is a lot of BS.